Let Garmin assist getting you started with your dēzl OTR810 or 1010. Your dēzl OTR810 or 1010 will come with a vehicle suction cup with powered magnetic mount, screw-down mount, 1-inch ball adapter with AM/PS plate, vehicle power cable, and USB-C cable. Let's begin by going over the device hardware. The power button is located on the side of the device and is to the left of the word Garmin. This is used for powering the device on and off. Next to the power button is the USB-C port, which is used for connecting to a computer or AC adapter with the included USB-C cable. Your micro SD card can be inserted into the slot next to the USB-C port. Using a micro SD card will provide additional storage space for maps and other data. Volume controls are located on the back of the device above the speaker. The included powered mount contains a USB port for providing power to a compatible Garmin dashcam. This USB port is not designed to charge third-party devices like smartphones and tablets. The 3.5mm stereo aux out port is used for sending audio to a vehicle stereo aux in port or wired headphones. Now that we have covered the hardware basics, let's go over mounting and powering the device. It is recommended to have the screw-down mount professionally installed. We will not be covering its installation in this video. Please refer to your owner's manual for more information about installing this mount on the dashboard. Your device also includes a 1-inch ball mount compatible with select third-party mounting solutions. If you choose to use the ball mount adapter, you will need to remove the 4 screws currently in the cradle. These screws will hold the ball mount adapter in place. This mounting option will not fit the included bracket. It is only intended for use in a third-party mount. Please refer to your owner's manual for more information on using this adapter. The device is designed to receive a charge through the included magnetic powered mount, which will stick to your windshield using the attached suction cup. In this video, we will be installing the dēzl OTR device on the windshield. Determine where you would like to mount the device on the windshield. Then clean the area with rubbing alcohol and a clean microfiber cloth. It is your responsibility to ensure the mounting location complies with all applicable laws and ordinances and does not block your view of the road during the safe operation of your vehicle. Open the lever of the suction cup. Then, with the lever side pointing toward the top of the windshield, press the suction cup to the windshield and fully close the lever. Next, plug the vehicle power cable into the port on the mount. The cable will click into place when fully connected. This cable is only intended to be plugged into the port on the magnetic mount. It will not fit into the USB-C port on the side of the device. If necessary, loosen the thumb screw on the suction cup arm and the nut on the ball mount, and adjust for better viewing and operation. When you are finished adjusting, secure the mount by tightening the thumb screw on the suction cup arm and the nut on the ball mount. Then place the device onto the magnetic mount. Plug the other end of the vehicle power cable into a power outlet in your vehicle. We are now ready to begin the initial setup of the device. If necessary, power the device on. Choose your locale and select Start. Read and accept the End User License Agreement. You will be asked for your consent to Garmin collecting, using, and sharing your device data. Select either Yes or No. Next, you can connect to an available Wi-Fi network. Select the network you would like to connect to. If necessary, enter a password and select Connect. If you do not have Wi-Fi or do not want to connect at this time, select Next. You can connect the dēzl app to access additional features including live traffic updates, smart notifications, and hands-free calling. For more assistance, check out our videos on pairing your dēzl OTR device to the dēzl app. Then, read and agree to the warning. Now we will need to create a vehicle profile. Routing and navigation are calculated differently based on your vehicle profile. It is critical that you are as accurate as possible when entering your vehicle information. Select your vehicle type. In this video, we will be selecting the tractor option. The following options may differ depending on which vehicle you select. Next, select your trailer configuration. Select or enter your vehicle's maximum height, then select Next. Then enter your vehicle's maximum width. Enter the total length of your vehicle. This will include any trailers. Then enter the total weight of your vehicle. This includes the weight of the load you are carrying. Ensure the actual weight of the vehicle has been set for the total weight on the profile, and not the maximum possible weight of the vehicle. Setting the profile for the maximum possible weight may result in unneeded restrictions. Select any hazardous materials that you are carrying, or select none and press Next. Your basic vehicle profile has been created. The wrench button is used to edit information and add additional vehicle information such as axle weight. Ensure that the rest of the trucking profile information is accurate to avoid incorrect routes. Press Select to continue to the main screen. The initial setup has now been completed. If necessary, go to an open area with a clear view of the sky to acquire satellite GPS signals. Lastly, let's check for available updates to your device. You can use a computer in Garmin Express if necessary, but the Wi-Fi option requires fewer steps. To successfully complete a Wi-Fi update, a wireless connection to home high-speed internet is required. It is important to avoid using a mobile hotspot. Check out our Wi-Fi connections video for tips to ensure your Wi-Fi update is successful. From the main screen, select Settings. Then select Updates. Your device will automatically search for available map and software updates. A blue download arrow indicates an update is available. A green check mark indicates it is up to date. Select Download to start all available updates. If you have not connected your device to a power source, you will be prompted to do so now. A description of what is included in the update will appear. Follow the on-screen prompts. These updates will take an extended period of time. You will not be able to use your device during the update. Once the update has finished downloading, you will be asked to restart the device so it can install the update. Select Restart and Install. Then select OK. Wait for the device to restart. Your dēzl OTR810 or 1010 is now ready to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.